Most digital transformation firms think they're competing on talent, but in 2026, they're actually competing on how their teams are structured. If you're leading a digital transformation firm, the pressure is already showing up. Roles open for 60+ days, slower delivery cycles, and margins getting tighter. Meanwhile, 76% of leaders are already using distributed teams, and up to 50% are actively expanding nearshore capabilities. The reality? If your model hasn't evolved, you're already behind your competitors. This isn't just a hiring challenge anymore. It's a delivery architecture problem. Top firms aren't struggling to find talent. They're redesigning how work gets done. And that shift is changing everything: speed, cost, and how clients evaluate you. The firms winning in 2026 aren't the ones adding more engineers or using more AI. They're the ones structuring smarter delivery models. They've moved away from fully onshore teams and into blended architectures. Onshore for strategy and client leadership, nearshore for execution and scale. This isn't an experiment anymore. It's the new industry standard. This model gives them a structural advantage: 30 to 50% cost savings on execution roles, 2-3x faster time to staff, more consistent delivery across projects. And more importantly, it shifts the conversation from hourly rates to total delivery performance. Because staying fully onshore today doesn't just mean higher costs. It means slower hiring, lower margins, and weaker positioning in competitive RFPs. In fact, firms that haven't adopted blended models can be carrying 35 to 55% higher labor costs per engineer. And the gap is only widening. So the real question is, are you still scaling your team the old way? Or are you designing a delivery model that actually gives you an edge? If this perspective challenges how you're thinking about growth, make sure to subscribe. We break down the real operational side of digital transformation. And if you want to go deeper, check the link in the description. We've put together a practical breakdown on how to structure a blended delivery team.